Action, take 38.
Hi, welcome to Tiny Kitchen UK. Today we're making quesadillas.
High five. Good one. So hi and welcome to Tiny Kitchen UK. Today I want to show you how to make quesadillas, but with COVID-19 going on, we need to see what we've got left in our fridge and use up that. You can stick anything in them. And right here is my little helper for today, and we are going to get on with it. So let's go. Are we looking beautiful?
Give me handsome.
Handsome. So
Boing.
we're going to do quesadillas with what we've got. So we're going to stick some cheese on first, and we're doing halfers. So we're not doing a whole case, so we're going to do half and fold it over. We want quite a bit of cheese on there, so it's all melty and gooey.
Oh, I like gooey. I mean melty.
Some spring onions. If I was using normal onions, then I would probably slice them up and saute them off, or slice them really thinly. Then you don't have to saute. You don't have to saute them off. If you want them crunchy, then just slice them and put them on. But we didn't have any, so we're just using these. Some cherry tomatoes. If you like a packed
They don't look like cherries to me.
Do they not?
No.
Oh. Some chicken, the roast we had left over.
I don't like chicken.
Oh, that's good. You can have yours without then.
Then what? There's no more cucumbers then.
No. And some mushrooms. Just sliced some old mushrooms we found in the fridge up.
Oh, can I put a lot of pepper on mine, not salt?
Yeah. So
That's going to be yours, isn't it? Oh, there you go. Are you going to put a bit more pepper on that?
no, that's it.
Is it yours?
Then we fold it over. And that's how we are going to cook it. So we'll just make some more of the others quickly. So,
Get cheese.
you remember you're going to do half of one, aren't you?
Yeah.
So, what are you going to do then first?
And this is just like the wraps I have for breakfast.
Yeah.
Cheese, tomato and cucumber.
Yeah.
And melted cheese.
Melted cheese, that's right.
I just want
Go on then.
cheese, tomato and spring onion.
Go on then. So from the chicken we had left over, the roast dinner, there is our chicken stock boiling away with the bones and a few veggies that we've got. So at the end of this video we'll leave a link and you can click on how to make chicken stock. And right here we've got our pan, and we are going to add the first quesadilla. You need to get your pan hot and then put the first quesadilla in. And so it's going to be in there for a minute or two, and the wrap will get nice and crispy and the innards will melt. That's what we're really looking for. We don't want the wrap burnt and the innards all yucky, do we?
No, that would be disgusting.
So we're just going to lift it up and see if there's any colour on it. There's a little bit of colour starting to happen. That's good. Oh, yummy. It's looking good as. No.
Well, it wouldn't look good if you burnt your finger.
No, that's true. You need to be careful, don't you? So let's have a look at the inside of this cooking. You can see that it's all beginning to melt and get nice and hot. Yeah, can't wait. Look, he's just seen how nice and cheesy it is and putting more cheese in his. Here we go, we're going to cut these up. You can help. So,
Yummy.
mind your paws. Oh, delicious.
They look like pizza slices.
They do, don't they?